Hi everyone, my name's Colin Williams. I'm a librarian here at Long Beach City College, and I wanted to take the time to talk to you about our online library workshops. Now, you may have already received a link from a professor. You'll just follow that link and you'll self-enroll into the online workshops. If you need to find that link, I can show you how to do that right now. Just go to the library's website, scroll down, and click on Learn and Improve Your Skills. This takes you to a new website where you can click on Library Workshops. And from here, you'll see the self-enroll link. And you'll just follow this link to enroll into the library workshops. So I'm already enrolled in the workshops, so I'm going to continue on to the course. And now I'm in the library workshops. So here, this first module tells you what to expect and about the library workshops. We also really want your feedback, so you can click the feedback from students and fill out an anonymous survey. That really helps us to improve our services, especially the workshops. This page here tells you how you can send proof of completion of the workshops to your professors, and I'll spend a minute explaining how we show proof of completion. Every workshop is a module. So you can see the first workshop is called Developing Search Strategies, and you earn a badge for completing this workshop. So while the workshop may change in content a little bit here and there, what you need to know is that you have to complete the pages and you have to complete the quiz with a score of at least 3 out of 5 points for every workshop module. Once you have completed all those items, you can click on the link that says, after the module, click here to view your badge. So we do use the badger system, and in order to see the badges as you complete the library workshops, in the top left corner, you'll just click on Badges. So now inside this library workshop course, as you complete the different badges for the different workshops, they'll light up here indicating that you've completed them. So one thing you could do is screenshot this page or print it as a PDF, and that's what you'll send to your professor to show that you've completed the workshops that they've asked you to. So just as an FYI, your professor may or may not have assigned all of the workshops for you to complete, so just go ahead and make sure that you're completing only what you need to, or go ahead and work through all of them. Definitely leave your feedback. Let us know how we can improve on the system. And if you ever have any questions, you can reach out to me. My name is Colin Williams, and my email is c3williams@lbcc.edu. I'll be more than happy to help you with this library workshop experience.